Shinyn na Deiney Bagrina.
Well, almost happy Christmas, and what better way to celebrate than learning a Manx Christmas song? I'm joined by Chloe and Michelle from Hello Little People, and we're going to learn a song called Shinyn na Deiney, all about three wise men.
Okay.
You ready?
Excellent.
Rocking. The first line that you need to learn is Shinyn na Deiney.
Shinyn na Deiney.
Shinyn na Deiney. We are the men.
We are the men. We are the men.
Shinyn na Deiney. Shinyn is the we are bit. Shinyn. So, Shinyn na Deiney fiachrina.
Fiachrina.
Yeah, that's a good, nice bit of a guttural sound at the back. So, we are the men, the very wise men. Shinyn na Deiney fiachrina. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Then Jesus tree.
Shinyn na Deiney fiachrina.
Oh, you're so good. Jump the boy. Let's try the next bit, which is no words at all. It's just oh.
Got it.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, got it.
Let's go. Oh. Beautiful. And then we're gonna do Narolegadi, which means the stargazers. So Narolegadi.
Narolegadi.
That's
Think about it, rolling down the hill. Narolegadi.
Okay, so we are going to now do the next two lines. Just listen carefully, a few more words this time. So we go Shinyn na Deiney again, so that comes up a lot in this song. Shinyn na Deiney, Rengayet Aeroleg, which means we follow the star. Shinyn na Deiney, Rengayet Aeroleg as. Isn't it? As is a band.
Aeroleg as.
Yeah, that's it.
Rengayet Aeroleg as.
So let's try that line. Shinyn na Deiney, Rengayet Aeroleg as. And then we're going to go up. Henk Shin Yeeza Christ Mac Ye. Let's just do the tune. Yeah, there you go. And those words there are Henk Shin Yeeza Christ Mac Ye. We came on Jesus Christ, Yeeza Christ Mac, which we know from song, and that means son of, and then ye is God. Yeah, so Yeeza Christ Mac Ye.
Yeeza Christ Mac Ye.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's try doing Henk Shin Yeeza Christ Mac Ye. Oh, Henk Shin Yeeza Christ Mac Ye. Oh. So the next three lines are the exact same as the first three lines, which is great, and then the last one's just a little bit different. And we sing Henk Shin Christ Nun Ye, our Lord, Henk Shin Christ Nun Ye.
Nun Ye.
Nun Ye.
Nun Ye.
Does sound like onion, but it's not. Nun Ye.
Nun Ye.
Yeah.
Nun Ye. Let's give it a go.
Okay, should we have a go and do it with piano?
Let's do the